Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely gorgeous 66 registered Mercedes-Benz C200 AMG line. Now this is the diesel engine, so it's 136 brake horsepower, and that's from a 1.6 turbo diesel. Silky smooth, phenomenal on fuel. I've had the pleasure of driving this car for the last couple of days, and the performance is absolutely great in it. But I'm looking at the MPG and I'm getting 55 miles to the gallon just on my way to work commuting. Now the car's finished in the Obsidian black metallic, which sat on these optional extra upgrade 19-inch wheels do really make the car look all the parts. So we've got the chrome detail, we've got the privacy glass in the rear again, which is extra, but the bi-colour turbine alloy on a C-Class Mercedes 19-inch, I don't think there's a better alloy wheel on any car. Mercedes have really gone to town on this, so very reminiscent of the AMG. So the external body kit with the front spoiler on that front bumper, the side skirts, the rear bumper is all different on an AMG line. So don't be mistaken by a sort of upgrade with a set of nice wheels. Now this particular car has the Parktronic, so parking sensors on the front bumper and also on the rear bumper, and it does have the reversing camera as well. Looking round the car, obviously you're going to have the odd stone chip on the front, but nothing that would be detrimental to the purchase of the vehicle. The sides of the car are in exceptional order. I'm not sure the camera does the car justice, but it is in superb condition throughout. Now these cars are fully loaded, so we get Sat Nav in them, full leather interior, DAB radio. This is, as I say, the C200, and then we get the twin tailpipes on the rear with the diffuser as well. But whatever angle you look at this car, it's such a nice, pretty car to look at. Very easy to drive, very easy to park. But as a family car, I'd have to say I don't think there's a four-door saloon which is a gooder-looking car as that. Now we've got two keys with it. We've got the tailored AMG line mat set. And then when we open the door, the interior is something to die for. So we get the lovely aluminium trim on all of the door cards and runs across the dash. We get the powerful mirrors, 4 electric windows, but then we get the contrast stitch, which really does look great. Chrome Mercedes-Benz sill plates, and then you get a set of chrome aluminium pedals. The driver's seat, that's the black leather with, again, very similar contrast silver grey stitch. You can extend those seats out. They have like a touring section which goes up behind your legs. But as you can see, the bolster and the base of the chair is in fantastic order for the age and mileage. So the mileage on the car, as we video, is 54,366 miles. Again, the mix of aluminium and the gloss interior, there is a sense of occasion in here. Again, we've got the full book pack. Have a look on our website. I've took the images of the service history, so you can see the stamps to which the car's had. I'll just fire her up for you. Turn that down. But we get the full touch screen here. We can just use anything on there, touch that, or we can use the wheel, which I'll use, and then that will take us through to the map. I'll just close the door. There we go. Select and reverse, then we've got the parking sensors which come on the right here in the car, and then we get the parking lines, and then the steering turns and will line you up then in your parking bay. DAB radio, USB auxiliary, and also, if you're like me, you've still got CD players or CDs, you can. The aluminium runs through onto the dashboard and then around, and then you've got your heated seats there. Just a quick element, you press on this side here, and then that puts your heated seat on. Cruise control, speed limiter, all the modern features, auto dim driver's mirror and auto dim centre mirror. But all in all, a lovely cabin to be in. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell that the last owner, they've not smoked either. It has that really still fresh and clean smell. Obviously our valeters, they shampoo the carpets and shampoo the leather seats. We then condition those in detailing. We'll remove the wheels when it goes into service, and our detailers there will wash the wheels inside and out and make them as good as you can. The internal, as I say, the passenger area, the driver's area is all in superb order. The aluminium runs through on those doors also. Coming round to the rear, the boot space on these is fit anything in there as a family, whether it be double buggies, shopping, or a set of golf clubs. There's not much that a C-class boot doesn't fit. Just run in there, you get the nice LED lamps. So, if you'd like any more info on this car, this can be reserved. It's £250. That will remove the car from sale and reserve it for yourself. We'll prepare it here to the highest of standard. At an arranged, obviously, time, you'll come and collect it. If it's on finance, we can do the finance sign up online. If it's a cash purchase, the £250 reservation deposit is then when you get to us, you just do the banking transfer in the showroom. LED signature lights. Have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see customers like yourself from all over the country coming to pick up their new cars from as far away as Aberdeen down to Land's End. We're a 40-year-old family business. We've got one of the best showrooms in the UK for used car sales. We're a 5-star dealer, so you can be totally confident when you come to Wigan. If it's not what you want, your deposit is fully refundable when you're with us. But if you're happy with it, we do the paperwork on the DVLA's website, tax it. Again, this is a super low road tax car because of the emissions, 20 quid I think. So if you need any more info, I'm Graham, we've got Dominic and we've got Lee in sales. We can help you out in any way we can. Any questions? You need anything more, part exchange price, give us a call. But thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.